Hey, what's up? I see that you liked our previous video about the SabinaTech Smart Mic Plus wireless microphone. Recently, SabinaTech company released another new product, and it is also designed for high-quality sound recording. However, it is not just a wireless microphone, but a wireless sound card, audio booster, and a real-time mixer. That sounds very impressive for such small device, doesn't it? So let's do unboxing and full review of SabinaTech Audio Wow. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. Audio Wow comes in this box. We can see the company logo, SabinaTech, CES Innovation Awards 2020 and the image of sound card. The specifications are on the back. Opening the box you will see the sound card on the left side and useful accessories on the right, such as windshield, USB Type-C charging cable and earphones. Just like the previous Smart Mic Plus wireless microphone, the new Audio Wow sound card is pretty small. Actually, it has also the same design as Smart Mic Plus, but it is twice as big. There is company logo and large microphone grill on one side. On the other side is a clip. In addition, Audio Wow has a big red button. One press on it to start and finish sound recording, but you can also assign a function to double-click in the app on smartphone. I will show you this later. On the top, there is 3.5mm audio jack and LED light. USB Type-C port is on the bottom. So Audio Wow is certainly bigger than most lavalier microphones, but it is not a simple microphone. This is a wireless microphone, sound card, audio booster, and a real-time mixer. If we start talking about features, let's go to Kickstarter page and look at all the features of this device. As you can see, Audio Wow is a Kickstarter projector and it has 5 days to go. However, they have already raised more than $220,000. Here we can read about main features of Audio Wow. For example, phone call recording and transcription, real-time stereo monitoring, stereo and noise reduction sound pickup, real-time digital effects, 5-band EQ tuning, automatic audio lip sync, and others. The manufacturer says that Audio Wow replaces the traditional studio setup. You can use Audio Wow for music creation, podcast, content creation, calls and remote work. By the way, there's even the picture how Audio Wow works. Also, you can find a full specifications list. I think you are interested in battery. Audio Wow is equipped with only 130 mAh battery, but this is enough for 5-6 hours of sound recording. That's very good battery life. The companion app on smartphone has many functions. Let's talk about them. The app has the same name as the device itself, Audio Wow. You can download it on Android and iOS devices. It is important to know that you can only use this application to record sound. You cannot record the sound from the built-in voice recorder on your phone or any other app. The main screen of the app looks like this. Here you can choose audio or video. If you don't need to record the video, then just select audio. There are many useful settings. For example, you can choose audio format, LED indicator, double-click the button. I told you before that you can choose what the red button will do when you press it: play music, switch lengths, and phone record. You can also enable the function of automatic calls record. I think it is a very useful function for some people. Audio Wow is not only microphone, but also an audio mixer. There are many settings such as earphone EQ settings, recording EQ settings, and digital effects settings. To be honest, I don't really know much about this, but if you are watching this video, you probably understand why are these settings for. When you have finished sound recording, you see the next screen. You can pause the sound, delete, edit, send it to another app, or see the transcription. By the way, Audio Wow uses AI to convert the speech into text. Okay, now I have to check the sound recording quality. I will record the sound on built-in mic in my smartphone as well as Audio Wow, and then we will compare them. Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Now I'm recording the sound on my smartphone. Let's talk a little about different things. Do you like our channel? Write in the comments below. Okay, bye. Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Now I'm recording the sound on Audio Wow. I also use the earphones for real-time monitoring. I can already say that this sound is better than the previous one. It doesn't have any noise and it is very clear. So it was unboxing and review of the new wireless sound card, audio booster, and real-time mixer from SabinaTech. Audio Wow has many scenarios for use, for example, recording music, podcasts, videos, or just for phone calls. This device has a function to automatically record audio during the phone calls, which is very useful for business conversations. Also, Audio Wow has very useful mobile app. There are many settings for audio and video, such as automatic lip sync. Among audio settings, there are digital effects, noise reduction, reverb, and much more. The price of Audio Wow is $99 on Kickstarter. You can also buy 2 items for $180 or the kit from Audio Wow and Smart Mic Plus for $228. By the way, if you haven't seen our video about Smart Mic Plus microphone, I will leave the link in description. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.